Hi, my name is Matt Einhauser. I'm the Natural Resources Manager for the City of Rochester Hills. And this week, starting February 26th, we are celebrating National Invasive Species Awareness Week, which is a week raising awareness about invasive species, the threats that they pose, and what we can do to try to manage. Invasive species is essentially a non-native species that is a plant or an animal that wasn't originally here in Michigan or here in Rochester Hills, and that has since been introduced and causes some type of harm to the ecology or environment or human health, or has some type of impact on our economy. Invasive species can have an impact on the native species that are typically found in our habitats, in our parks, and in our green spaces by displacing them or outcompeting them, because non-native invasive species do not have any type of natural predators here and often can reproduce or spread rapidly. In most cases, we as humans are the reason why invasive species are found here, whether it be intentional or unintentional. So that could be a seed on the bottom of your boot, or larger pathways like in ballast water of ships, or intentional. So a lot of people, or a lot of invasive species, have actually been planted by us because we thought they were pretty, or we thought they'd be useful for something else, and have since taken over. One common example of an invasive species here in Rochester Hills is Phragmites, plant that can wreak havoc on the environment, outcompeting all the native species, creating a monoculture of Phragmites that even wildlife cannot use, and cause damage to drainage and infrastructure, and can be a safety concern along our roadways. Rochester Hills invites you to join the fight against invasive species, and if you have any questions or would like to get involved in the Phragmites program, do not hesitate to call our Parks and Natural Resources Department.